Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in this video I'm gonna be teach you how to make a maintenance page or a coming soon page in WordPress. So let's get started. So in the Chrome URL tag, let's go to our website and go to a WordPress admin panel. If you don't know this, go and watch my previous video. The link will be in the description or coming right here. So now just go to plugins and add new plugin, and then just right there WP maintenance mode, and this is the plugin. So just install it. It will take some time. And when done, just click on activate, and then as you can see there, just delete this extra plugins, we don't need that. Just select this and delete, apply. Okay, so it's deleting. So now how to access this plugin? So you can see a setting tab there, and the WP maintenance mode. So click on it, and here there are some options like status. So we'll click on activate, and the bypass for search bots. We'll leave this option. Then there are the few options that you need, so you can check out. So just click on save changes and then proceed to the next page, that is design. So now in design there's a title, so you can write anything over here just like you like. I'm writing we are coming soon, and in heading we are writing something new is coming. So we'll select a color, just a random color that we like. So in the text section I'm gonna be writing hello, hi, welcome to code with Spookie, and just select a random color. And then in the background we'll choose like uploaded theme. We can upload a theme here that we like, and then background which is already there, so we can choose anyone. I'll choose this, and then save settings. Just go to modules, and there's clock down. You'll click on yes. Just leave it now, and then color for the clock down, and then subscriptions. So I'll click yes, and then we'll click here notify me when it will give as it is, and a random color. You can see here if anyone subscribe here, you can see the list over there. And the social network, will add our Instagram link at www.instagram.com/kush underscore, and then there are the contacts. You can add your email ID, and then Google Analytics, and in manage bot there are some settings you can check out. I don't need this now. There are the auto reply also, and then we don't need this now. You can check out if you like. And now we'll on a clock down countdown, and then we'll click yes. We'll select a date. How many days are like 1, 10, and 12, and 12 and 12. So just click on save settings, and as you can see settings saved. So now just to look that, we have to just log out and then go back to the trial website, and as you can see there are pages. It's all done. You can subscribe your mail over here and then subscribe, and there will be a notification that you have been subscribed successfully. And there's my Instagram link, so you can check out by putting yours. And so we'll back to our WP admin. That's all for the video, guys. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you're new, click on the subscribe for daily updates. Thank you. Bye.